Beli pi bero akan ika channel ki kambalai. Ki badang de thamai akan ika channel ngom haban subscribe dan press ka bell icon kenapa pinyo iki notification bet ki updates kat ka bang upload iki video bathamai. Hagan ika video ngini page phang ki post balai naka Directorate General CRPF. Ka date of application kasdang nadu arpu tarik benai April 2018. Hadu khat khandai tarik benai Mei 2018. Ke mode of application kade online but kini ki post ki dinam ta shinrang bat kanthe. Hakan ka exam kandon ka PET, physical efficiency test, physical standard test, computer based test, skill test, document verification, detailed medical examination, but review medical examination. Ka pay scale kadai pay level 3 katulap kasdang nado arpoi hajar news patengka hado handru khandai hajar shis patengka shibanai. Ki vacancies baningkong kadai jongki constable, technical and tradesman. Khandai hajar shis pa hanyu pusantiliki post. Namenta ki shendrang khandai hajar khandai phonru tiliki post banamta ki kanthe hanyu khandai tiliki post. Kini ki total post balat na central government. Tangba ki post ki balat na kabanta ka state Meghalaya, brass band ka way ka post, barber artili ki post, cobbler artili ki post, cook sautili ki post, driver arpuway tili ki post, mali ka way ka post, motor mechanic pratili ki post, सफाई कर्मचारी बदे की स्वीपर कवे का पोस्ट, टेलर कवे का पोस्ट, वाटर कैरियर कवे का पोस्ट, washerman लाइटली की पोस्ट. टोटल पोस्ट कदे sanpu arteli kini kide namta ki shinrang tamba ka Meghalaya kam include hakan ni ka list na ka banta ki kanthe. Age limit namta ki constable driver kade na do arpois nam hado arpunyos nam karta kat kom shitarik benai baningkong 2018. Ki age limit namta ki motor mechanic vehicle, cobbler, carpenter, tailor, brass band, pipe band, gardener, burglar, painter, cook, barber, hairdresser, washerman and woman, water carrier, safai karmachari, mason, plumber, electrician kadai nadu khat prasnam hadu arplaisnam karta katkum shitarik benai baningkong 2018. Ki age relaxation namta ki schedule caste wa schedule tribe kadai sansnam. Ka educational qualification katkum shitarik benai baningkong 2018. Ka minimum qualification namta ka post driver kadai hadu metric na ka recognized board lani university. Ki bakwa ban apply kani ka post kidi bandone ka heavy transport vehicle driving license. Naka banta ka mechanic motor vehicle ka minimum qualification kadai hadu class 10 lane class 12 bad ki badone ka industrial training certificate ba arsnam bad namta ki we pat ki tradesman ka educational qualification kadai hadu metric naka recognized board lane university. How to apply lane kumno ban apply ki candidates ki ban submit online naka official website. Ki candidates ki ban fulfill ya ka eligibility criteria but ka date of application kasdang nado arpu tarik benai basau 2018 hadu khat khandai tarik benai basan 2018. Ka exam fees ka de shis patangka but namta ki schedule tribe dan kam ban seal. Kitu ki bala qualify haka PET but PST kila ban appear namta ka computer based test. Namta ka physical efficiency test, ka race, nakabanta ki driver, motor mechanic vehicle, gardener, carpenter, painter, brass band, pipe band, cobbler, tailor, burglar, kandai, sun kilometer haka 800 minute. Ka race namta ki cook, water carrier, barber, hairdresser, washerman, safai karmachari, kadai iwe 0.100 km haka 10 minute. Nakabanta ka physical standard test ka height namta ki shinrang kadai shispa 100 hour point sun nakabanta ki Meghalaya candidate Kaca circumference namta ki Meghalaya candidate kadai new centimeter, but ka minimum expansion kadai -5. Ka computer based test kadai shispa marks, but ki subject kindai general intelligence and reasoning arpusan marks, general knowledge and general awareness arpusan marks, elementary mathematics arpusan marks, English learning Hindi arpusan marks. Ka time allotted kadai arkanta. But kandan rukan negative markings 0.25 marks. Kata kamut lada baklasau teli te kamut sasyak didak shi marks. Kini kidigi syllabus namta ka exam. Fill up ban page hang ne. Kiba ko ban apply kini ki post. Somba ban police shwa ka official notice. Ngalabu ya ka link ha ka description harum fill up ban check. Dang di thamai ka nika channel, so haban subscribe and press the bell icon. Kenapa punya notification buat updates kan ka bang upload di video buat thamai. Bless you.